On September 18, 2018, the Orioles became the first professional sports team to wear Braille uniforms. Fans were also given Braille alphabet cards so they could spell out the players' names. It was in recognition of the 40th anniversary of the National Federation of the Blind moving their headquarters to Baltimore. And Karen Goss joins us right now, who is the co-director of the ADA in the Mid-Atlantic region. And Karen, thank you so much for joining us. Tell us about the important work your organization does in our community.
Certainly, Brett. Thank you so much for having us today. So the Mid-Atlantic ADA Center provides resources, guidance, and training on the Americans with Disabilities Act. It's a civil rights law that covers all 5 titles of the ADA. So that's across the entire spectrum of American life: business, your sporting events, employment, telecommunications. So people call us and ask us questions about the Americans with Disabilities Act if they have concerns or questions. We also provide training. We go out into the community all through what you know is the Mid-Atlantic region and provide that information to individuals as well.
And Karen, amazingly, you guys have kept going during this health crisis, during this pandemic. How hard has that been to do? And tell us how you've done it.
So yes, we have been so fortunate. The work that we do and the lives that we touch, it's been incredibly important. Individuals with disabilities, when the pandemic hit, had any number of additional questions about their rights under the Americans with Disabilities Act as it related to providing care and things of that nature, as well as working, right? So the way we did it is we moved everything off site. We continued to work. We did not miss one day of work. Our call center stayed connected. We worked on rerouting our phones, so people were still able to reach us. We are still serving individuals with disabilities remotely. So we do serve a number of people in the community with job seeking and things of that nature through our parent organization. So that's how we've done it. We've also made sure that resources were available. We've written a number of fact sheets to make available because there's a lot of questions about the ADA and obviously COVID-19 that we want to make sure we get information out to people. So that's what we've done.
And finally, Karen, tell us how Orioles fans can get involved.
Well, I think it's really important for people to understand that individuals with disabilities really want to be integrated in all parts of American society. And how fans can get involved is, I think education is a really key to success, right? If you learn more about things, if you see something related to disability, try to learn more about it. When you're at the ballpark, you are wonderful. You have the Jumbotron, you do captioning, you have listening devices for people that are blind, that they can listen to the radio during the game. So being aware of disability, what it is, and how to help be fully inclusive in our society. I would say if your fans did that, they'd be hitting it out of the ballpark.
I like that. Karen Goss, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.